just having a coffee nap.
Oh.
Doom scrolling. This is an act of consuming numerous negative news, information, epidemic, infodemic.
Hey, Laiba, what are you doing?
Oh, I was just having a coffee nap.
Oh.
That word must have confused you, right? Coffee nap. Coffee nap. Do you know, it's a fact that this word has been recently added to the dictionary. Coffee nap. Coffee nap. Actually, coffee nap means a short nap taken after having coffee to boost energy. It is a nap after taking coffee to boost energy so that you can get energetic because, coffee gives us a bit energy. So it's actually a nap taken for boosting energy. Okay? Let's give an example. Don't disturb her. She's having a coffee nap. It's actually a bit different from sleeping because sleeping is normal, but coffee nap, it's a bit different because it's actually to be energetic. Okay? So let's have a bonus word, right? This word also has been recently added to the dictionary. It means it's doom scrolling. Doom scrolling. Doom scrolling. This is an act of consuming numerous negative news. Negative news. It's actually negative, okay? Negative news. For example, she was awake half of the night doom scrolling. Another one, okay? Do you know the combination of information and epidemic? It's infodemic. Infodemic. Information, epidemic. Infodemic. This means large spread of accurate and inaccurate news. For example, don't listen to that infodemic. So, these are really rare because they have recently been added. I'm saying recently, okay? It's not really old. These words are new. So, thank you all.